Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am having shrimp cocktail, chips, and homemade salsa. So let's dig in because I'm starving. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am having shrimp cocktail, chips, and homemade salsa over here. So let's dig in because I'm starving. Here we have shrimp cocktail. I've never had that on my channel and I can't recall the last time I actually had it. So I'm excited. Okay, so first bite. Oh my god! Okay, this bowl, it came in a different container, but I wanted to plate it in a more aesthetic, pleasing way. And I feel like I did that, but it's kind of hard to dip in the sauce. That was so refreshing, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm really regretting not getting more. They are like dripping water on my hands though. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm gonna eat this so fast. This is so good. I don't know if I should slow down on this, but I can't. They're falling in, so I'm gonna have to eat them. Okay, so next time I get this, I definitely have to get a whole huge round and see how many I can eat, because I feel like I would do really well on like a shrimp cocktail challenge. Okay. I'm gonna have to save a little bit so I don't just go through them so fast, but I am so excited to dig into this as well. I know she put all kinds of peppers. She put red and green peppers, green onion, cilantro, all that good stuff. Onion. Yummy. Oh my gosh. So today I have something so exciting to tell you guys. I am part of Learn Me Live. It's basically a virtual appointment you can set with specialists, makeup artists, personal trainers, dog trainers, like think of anything, like handymen. Just download the app and then you can find me on Learn Me, and then you just book an appointment with me. I'm available a couple times out of the week, but I'm only going to take a few of the week because I have to film my videos, of course. But I feel like it's a great way to get to know each other. We can eat together, we can do makeup together, because a lot of viewers have asked me to do makeup tutorials, but I feel like that's a little too much for me. But I would love to get ready with y'all, then we can get ready together. Or we can also go over like diet tips, you know, because I always have questions about how I can keep somewhat fit, you know, while doing all of this eating. So we can definitely just have a chat and eat a meal together. I just think it will be a super fun time. Mm. Mm. Ah. Mm. I have some lemon water in here. It's so hot today, guys. I feel like it's perfect for some lemon water. You guys should all be drinking some lemon water. You know what's funny? I've been like noticing that I haven't been burping like my last video. I don't think I even burped even once. I don't remember burping even once. So I feel like my viewers who enjoy my burping might be disappointed in that, but I can't help it. And I drink a whole cup of juice, and I usually never finish like a cup of anything during a video. So I wonder where my gas is going. I'm not farting either. I'm not bloated. So I don't know, I'm confused. Mm. Mm. I'm so hungry. I'm eating like crazily right now. Oh, come on. Okay. Oh. Mm. I have to say the salsa was kind of so much better the last time I ate it. I don't know if it's because of the salsa, like, is more watery than last time. Last time was very thick, and I also had a lot of peppers in it, like pepper seeds, so it was spicy. I don't taste a lot of spice because I don't see that they added any seeds in it, any chilies. So I'm a little disappointed, but shrimp time. I can't do, you guys, so good. This is simply amazing. Okay. My last one. I'm sad. I wish I had like 12 more. Alright. I'm going to try to eat a couple more, but to be honest, I don't know why they made it so, like, this batch, my nose is so itchy. This batch is, like, lacking so much more flavor. Like, it's like, I guess this is going to be like a quick video because I don't like this enough to eat it all, which I'm so disappointed because if it tasted like the last time I had it, I would have devoured it like entirely. I have to give this meal a 4. The 4 is all the shrimp cocktail. So good. So I definitely will make another video just with shrimp cocktail and see how much I can down and gobble down. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe. Also, download the app and check me out so we can have some one-on-one time together. I'll see you next time. Peace.